Welcome to Vivo Apex 2020 Quick Hands-On Video. Apex 2020 5G is a futuristic smartphone that you can't buy. The Apex 2020 concept features a unibody design with a 6.45-inch 120 degrees full-view edgeless display that gracefully curves over the side edges and gives the phone a futuristic look like waterfall display. Much like its predecessor, the Apex 2020 does away with all physical buttons on the side and opts for virtual pressure sensing buttons that add on to the seamless looks. It also features a 16MP in-display selfie camera that is invisible when the screen is on, in order to ensure great camera performance. Vivo increased the light transmittance of the screen right in front of the selfie camera by 6 times, as the 60 watts wireless super flash charge technology that we'd seen earlier is capable of charging a 2000 mAh battery in just 20 minutes, which is just as good as most wired fast charging solutions these days. Additionally, the Vivo Apex 2020 is also equipped with a flagship Snapdragon 865 chip with the Snapdragon X55 modem for 5G support. It features 12 GB of RAM, coupled with 256 GB of internal storage, and runs Android 10 with Vivo's own Android skin on top, while it's safe to assume that the Apex 2 features a 48MP camera on the back that makes use of a gimbal-like structure for advanced stabilization. This new technology improves the stabilization angle by 200% when compared to traditional systems found on most modern smartphones. Vivo claims that the gimbal-like structure eliminates the need for any specialized equipment while capturing video on the Apex 2020, and it is also capable of improving nighttime photography.